Photographs, in essence, are memories. Tangible memories and treasure moments. Beautiful places, people we love. That's what we do here. We create memories you can touch. Memories too precious to be left forgotten on an old hard drive. For decades, professional photographers have trusted us to turn the moments they capture into a permanent, tangible record. Because for us, as for them, photography is not a mere pastime or occupation. It is who we are. We live it and we breathe it. We understand the patience, perseverance, and sheer hard work that goes into capturing that perfect shot. And we treat every shot with the respect it deserves. We started small. Now we serve customers in 27 countries. As we have grown, we have had in Fujifilm a partner as deep in photography as we are. For nearly 40 years, they have supplied us with materials and with the service and support of the highest standard. Our market has digitized rapidly in the last 20 years, but the quality fell short of the standard we require, until now. It's fitting that it's Fujifilm taking us on this next step. They have transformed our digital print offering with both inkjet and toner technology. Now we can do more than we ever imagined, and we can do it all faster than we ever thought possible. With the ultra high quality of the jet press and the special colors and effects of Revoria, we can meet the quality standards our customers have always required, at the speed that they now demand. One partner, multiple technologies, working with us as we keep creating memories.